At any given moment, there are technically two calendar dates happening simultaneously on Earth. This isn't a paradox, but a human solution called the International Dateline. Cross it heading east, and your watch suddenly goes back 24 hours. You get to relive the same day. Fly west, and a day is deleted from your personal timeline forever. Imagine leaving on Thursday and arriving on Saturday, with Friday becoming a day that only happened to everyone else. This arbitrary line in the Pacific Ocean reveals that a day is not a fundamental piece of the universe's machinery. It's a shared agreement, a software patch we invented to manage a spherical world spinning through space, proving time can be added, subtracted, and even deleted.
The Great Library of Alexandria was a testament to recorded reality, holding perhaps 500,000 scrolls of history, science, and stories. When it burned, it wasn't just paper that turned to ash, it was a slice of human existence. We only know certain philosophers existed because others wrote about them. If all records of a person, a battle, or a discovery were contained in that library, their existence for us would be erased. They would still have happened, but in what meaningful sense? An unrecorded event is like a tree falling in a forest that covers the entire planet. The physical vibrations occurred, but without an eardrum or a seismograph to register them, they are functionally identical to a state of perfect stillness. History is not just what happened, it's what was remembered.
In the quantum world, reality is conditional. An electron doesn't exist in a single spot until you look for it. It exists as a probability wave, a cloud of potential locations. The act of measurement, of observation, forces this wave to collapse into a single definite point. This is the observer effect. Your observation didn't just discover where the particle was, it played a crucial role in creating the reality of its location. Before you looked, the question, "Where is it?" was meaningless. Scale this concept up. Was the entire universe before the dawn of consciousness simply an unresolved cloud of possibilities? A cosmic superposition waiting for its first witness to force it into a single definite state? The classic riddle asks if a falling tree makes a sound if no one is around. Physics provides a clear answer. It creates pressure waves in the air. But the experience we call sound is a neurological interpretation of those waves by a brain. Without an ear and a brain, there are only silent, propagating disturbances in matter. Now, consider a star exploding in the deepest void of intergalactic space. It releases an unimaginable torrent of energy and light. But if that light travels for billions of years and never strikes a retina, a camera sensor, or any form of detector, did the event truly shine? The physical process occurred, but its qualities, its brightness, its color, might be properties that only exist within the context of an observer. Imagine a hypothetical, universal anomaly. For a period we'll call 24 hours, every conscious being in the cosmos simultaneously ceases to exist, then blinks back into being with no memory of the interruption. During this unwatched day, planets still orbit, physical laws still operate, and stars continue to burn. But time is not merely the ticking of a cosmic clock, it is the perception of change. Without a mind to frame the before and after, to experience the flow from one moment to the next, was there a duration? It would be a segment of the universe's timeline that was never lived, never measured, never passed through by any consciousness. It's a day-long tear in the fabric of experience, a chapter in the cosmic story that no one was there to read. Your brain is not a perfect clock. The objective passage of seconds feels wildly inconsistent, edited by your emotional state. Moments of fear or intense joy seem to stretch, while hours of mundane work can vanish in a blur. Your personal experience of duration is not a passive recording of an external universal metronome. It is an active neurological creation. This leads to a profound and unsettling idea. The universe may not just happen, it may need to happen to a consciousness to be fully real. A day that never happened isn't necessarily a day of cosmic catastrophe. It's any day, any moment that goes completely unwitnessed, unrecorded, and unremembered. Without an observer, there is only the unopened box, the silent fall, the unwritten history, the day that wasn't.